Hello everyone and welcome back to Professor English. I'm Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hi, everyone. It feels great to be here again with all our amazing learners.
Yes. And today we've got a very simple but super useful topic, especially for beginners.
That's right. We're going to talk about our daily routine, the small things we do every day. This is a fantastic way to practice basic verbs and vocabulary.
Exactly. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to Professor English, give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are also learning. It really helps our channel grow.
And we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us about your daily routine in English.
Okay, Sid, let's begin. What's the first thing you usually do in the morning?
Well, I usually wake up around 6:30. Then I get out of bed and go to the bathroom. I wash my face and brush my teeth.
Nice. I wake up a little later, around 7 o'clock. After that, I go to the kitchen to make breakfast. Most days, just coffee and toast. Sometimes a piece of fruit. What about you?
I prefer tea with cereal. Simple but filling.
After breakfast, I get dressed. If I'm going out, I put on my shoes and coat, then leave the house.
Same here. If I'm going to the university, I leave home around 8:30. Otherwise, I sometimes work from home.
And what do you usually do at work, Professor Sid?
At work, I sit at my desk, check my emails, and prepare lessons for my students. Sometimes I also have meetings.
That sounds busy. In my job, I spend most of the day writing reports and working on my computer.
And don't forget lunch. I usually eat a sandwich or a salad.
I often bring my lunch from home. Sometimes I go out with colleagues.
After work, I usually head back home.
Same. Once I'm home, I like to relax, maybe watch TV or read a book.
I sometimes cook dinner. Pasta is my favorite, or a quick soup.
I also enjoy cooking, but washing the dishes is not my favorite part.
Same here. In the evening, I sometimes go for a walk or listen to music before bed.
That's relaxing. I usually talk to my family or friends, and then before sleeping, of course, brush my teeth again.
And finally, go to bed. I try to sleep around 10:30.
So today we used lots of useful verbs. Wake up, get out of bed, brush teeth, wash face, make breakfast, eat, get dressed, go to work, have lunch, relax, cook dinner, wash the dishes, read, listen to music, and go to bed.
Yes, these are super helpful for talking about your daily life in English.
And you can practice by writing down your own daily routine in English.
Absolutely. Step by step, you'll get better. Just remember, learning English takes time, so be patient and keep practicing.
Great advice, Professor Sid. Well, that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for joining us on Professor English.
Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment about your routine. We'd love to read it.
Until next time, keep practicing and have a wonderful day. Bye, everyone.